This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view all of the pictures that you have been tagged in on Facebook. I will be using the Google Chrome web browser on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To view a list of all the photos that you have been tagged in on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to where you see your profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on that. Next, you want to go down to Activity Log and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Activity that you're tagged in. Now the center pane will give you a list of all the activity, everything that you have been tagged in. You can sort it by date, people, audience, and if you're just looking for photos that you were tagged in, you can go down below here, photos you're tagged in. I'm going to click on that. And I just have 3 photos that I have been tagged in, but that will list all photos that you have been tagged in. Thanks for watching.